American blueberry cheesecake, cold cheesecake with base of digestive biscuit. As you see, the blueberry in the base looks delicious. You can make a decoration, whatever you want. I love to make raspberry jelly. It's make a good combination. Regarding the strawberry, is fantastic taste. Let's say 200 gram digestive biscuit. We mix it till becomes a nice sandy powder. 100 gram melted butter. Mix it well. This quantity for 22 centimeter ring. I added in the base. I press very good. Then I have some techniques. I use it. I bake for 5 minutes. After I added the base, I bake it 170 for 5 minutes. A lot of chefs just do biscuit and the base and then pour the mixture. 10 gram gelatin in cold water. But if you have powder, you mix 10 gram powder with 50 milli cold water. Then we added the blueberry compote, blueberry marmalade, whatever you want. You can add it also fresh. This is the secret to get the flavor of the cheesecake. 1 lemon zest and half lemon juice. Both of them, we mix it with 400 gram Philadelphia cheese. I mix it and I cover it for 15 minutes to absorb the flavor of lemon and zest, and that makes the cheesecake more delicious. 340 milli fresh cream, just semi-whipped as you see. And here's the sabayon, which make difference in the taste of the cheesecake. 3 egg yolk, 120 gram sugar. In bain-marie, we mix and cooked till 83. You know how to make sabayon. If you follow me, you must see. This is a big mistake, to touch the water in the base of the bowl, because the water is 100 degrees, which will cook sabayon quickly. What you do, you just cooked with the steam. When it comes quickly hot, I squeeze the gelatin. I add it to the mixture. It will reduce the temperature. Then I added again the mixture of the cheesecake with flavor, and I wait till becomes 28. Then I added the whipped semi-cream. If I added the whipped semi-cream when it's hot, it will melt it and texture will be losing. Then back to the mold. I cover the mold with the blueberry and I adjust it, keep it in the freezer overnight. And after 1 day, we make the jelly. 500 gram raspberry, 50 gram sugar, 15 gram lemon juice. I bring it to boil. In same time, I soak 10 gram of gelatin and then I squeeze it well. Then I mix it when raspberry puree boil. With the brush, I cover the face or surface of the beautiful cheesecake. That's it. You added the decor you love, and then remember, don't work harder, just work smarter. Ahmad Yunus waiting you for another video.